Arahado Samasasa Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahado Samasambuddhasa Namo Dasa Bhagavato Arahado Samasambuddhasa. Andhika. This Andhika also, even though it is included in the 80 set, it is one of the popular set. You can find mostly, Adhika, the views, Adhika ideas are to be found in Katawatu more than the others set. That's why we need to know about this Adhika. So Adhika say here, regional Buddhist school, a Adhika region, Andhra Pradesh, nowadays, Andhra Pradesh. There is modern day Andhra Pradesh. A group of Buddhist schools based in South India. So this Andhra said, Andhra schools flourish in South India. So the country around there also they received their ideas. That's why the Buddhists there and the Buddhists in the Theravada countries are different. Many things different, many ideas also different. It is a sub-school of Mahasangika. Yeah, this other guy, sub-school of Mahasangika. It flourished in the region of South India. Their views show similarity to Vedonaga's school. So Vedonaga's school, some of it is Katawatu. You will also see some of the views held by both Andhika, Vedonaga, they both set views the same. Further subdivided into four, Adhika schools subdivided into four. Bobasilia, a Adhika region here, Dole is eastern head of Adhika country, is South India's Adhika region. The eastern head of the Adhika region. They flourish there. Or the school, the flourish there. Then the Abracilia, Abracilia flourish in western hand of the Adhika country. East west. East the Bobacilia flourish in east the Andhika region, and Abracilia in west Adhika regions. So Rajagirika also can be found in Katawatu. The doctrine of these schools are mentioned in the Katawatu. Rajagirika also, you will see their doctrine in the Katawatu. That is Royal Hand. But Royal in other countries. Says Sabatika. I mix with the red color here because Sabatika also the doctrine also mixing with the Theravada approaches. This one we have Bobasilia, Abracilia, Rajakirika, and Sabatika. These four schools belong to the Adhika. They also have different ideas with the main school the Adhika. They do not have the same ideas with the Adhika, or mostly they may have the same ideas with the Adhika, but they have their different doctrine also. This school, they do not follow every doctrine Adhika. They have their own doctrine there. or most of the doctrine may be similar, similar to the Adhika. They also have their own ideas there. Some of recorded views can be seen in Katawatu. So some of them, they are the particular views of the Bobasilia, Abrasilia, Rajakarika, etc. But mostly you will see the doctrine of the Adhika in this Katawatu. That's why we need to know the school also, even those they are not included in the 80 school. So here, the example here, they look at the Satipatthana. Satipatthana, the 8 controversy, the Satipatthana, the 9 controversy, Hewati, Hewati, then Jeta, Jeta consciousness exist all the period, all the time. It is in the past, at present, in the future. So they believe so. They have such kind of beliefs. Those beliefs related to the Abhidhamma philosophy. That's why this Katatu is considered to be one of the texts because all the views there, related to the Abhidhamma philosophy, Abhidhamma doctrine. So, Anubhava Bisamaya, they also believe, they believe because they, the views, they believe these things. They believe they are really Buddhist school, even though we say they came from the Mahasanghika, but they refers to the Theravada text. They refer to the Theravada text. According to those texts, they have a different there. Anubhava, gradually. For example, Sotapanimaka. According to Theravada Buddhism, Sotapanimaka eliminates all the respected defilements. But for them, not like that. With the Sotapadimaka realizes the dukkha satya, it eliminates some of the kilesa. Where it realizes samudaya satya, it also eliminates some of the kilesa. Where it realizes nirodha satya, it again eliminates some of the kilesa. And when it realizes marga satya, it eliminates some of the kilesa. The Sotapadimagga does not eliminate kilesa at a time. It eliminates for 4 times. So they believe so. According to the Pali, they may understand the Pali. They do not understand the real meaning of the Pali. That's why this point, the real teachings of the Buddha, the meaning of the Buddha's teaching. Now, Atta, we say, Atta, they destroys the meaning of the Buddha's teaching. Like here, what? Sunyata, or many other kathas, there are many. Then we also have another school called Heduvada. Heduvada, because their doctrine also found in this Katawatu. Here, the Heduvada, the doctrine of cause. They believe the cause or they hold the cause. Cause philosophy. Sub-school or Sabbatiwada. Vibhasika. Sabbati, they also call Vibhasika. Sabbatiwada. Sub-school or Sabbatikawada. It is also known as Yotiwada, Yotiwada, because this is Abhidhamma, the logically, the doctrine is logical, related to the Abhidhamma doctrines, this Heduvada. So the Heduvada here, the views of Heduvada, or the doctrine of Heduvada also found in Katawatu. That's why we cannot leave this Heduvada. Here, doctrine of logic flourished in North India, not South India. we receive Buddhism from South Indians, all the Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, all these countries. The Buddhism we receive came from South Indians. The other country like Tibetan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, all the stuff around there, even though the Chinese, China, Mongolia, Russia, those the country receive the northern, not the Buddhism, we call not the Buddhism. We receive the Buddhism South India. We call South the Buddhism, the other one not Buddhism. So Hindu Vada is one of the not the Buddhism. Here, 9 views. I quoted these here, the paragraph number 729. 729. Sorry, 734, 732 paragraphs mentioned there. Aswa, related to the aswa. So they call these 4 aswa, called saswa. They are the object of aswa. If you say the object of aswa, these 4 are the object of aswa. For example, I get example. These 4 are the object of aswa. That means they are also to be anaswa. They call this anaswa. There is the doctrine. They believe so. 4 aswas are not only to be called aswa, they are also to be called anaswa. So the Skawadi were examined with many things to remove the views. According to Theravada Buddhism, this views, the doctrine is wrong. So we do not accept these views. So we have 9 views here. I quoted those 9 views with the paragraph number here. Paragraph number 730 and 731. If 747, 748, 789, 790, the 863 to 65. Or here we have 728 to 39, 735 is 786 to 87, 853, 56. We will see later these, but they are not very difficult, not very difficult. Even Jnanakatha. So the 9 views from Ekatavatu, the doctrine of the views of Hetu Vada found in Ekatavatu, but it is not included on the 80 schools. 80 schools. Advaita stated only 80 schools. But when he explained the Kathavatu, he explained with the doctrine of other school also, like a Hindu Vada. This Vada not included not included in the 80 schools. It is appropriate 80 schools. Vedolaka also came from Mahayana, Vedolaka. So Vedolaka is not included in any one of the 18, Vedolaka. But the doctrine of Vedolakas are found in Ekatavatu. There are 8 doctrines. I stated here, doctrines here, from 791, 92. Nawadaba Sango, Dakina, Padeganadi, here. They believe, Sangha, what we call the Sangha is the Magga, the plus. Only the Magga, the plus is Sangha, not any other things. That's why Sangha can receive the noble offering. The Sangha cannot receive noble offering because Sangha is the material phenomena. It's not material phenomena. Sangha, no substance, how the Sangha can receive the offering. So Sangha cannot receive the offering. That is their views, their doctrine. They believe in Myanmar, even in the Myanmar, some of the also hold the same views. Sangha is Magapala. Ariya Sangha. Ariya Sangha on Magga Phala. Magga cannot receive any things, any objects. So they believe so. Now what about Sango Akina Badikandi Kata? Yeah. Kata, the controversy related to the Sangha. So they believe Sanghas are only Magga Phala, no more, not the person. That's why this Sangha cannot receive anything. That is the view of Vedanta, you know. So even those Vedanta is not included in anyone, not the 18 school stated by Venerable Buddhaghosa, but the view still to be found in Gatawatu. That's why we have to note Vedanta school, because 8 views can be found in Gatawatu. So we have how many views here? 8 views, 8 doctrine came from Vedanta. Those doctrines are wrong doctrines. Theravada does not accept those. That's why Sakawadi, because Sakawadi, Theravada one day will reject all these doctrine, all these views, but reason with the logic, not just the not just accept, not just disagree, but there are many reasons. Sakawade or Theravada will give many reasons why the views are wrong. So we have in the book, when you read the book, you will see 226 controversial words by the Pali Canoe. It is also divided into 23 chapters. You will see 23 chapters and with 226 controversial words there. But these, 226, we say 500 plus Gawada, 500 the Pravada. Altogether, there are 1,000 views. But I don't know how to call those 1,000 views. But by when we study, maybe we will get the number. But I'm not sure, I see here only 226 controversial words. No one, I did not see any enumeration about 1,000 views here. 500 views pro Theravada, 500 views pro other schools, the other schools. Let me say, see, Northern Buddhism, the 500s belong to the Northern Buddhism, 500 views belong to the Theravada Southern Buddhism. We can say so, and they, but I don't know how to get those 1,000 views. Maybe by discussing, we will get that number. I'm not here. These schools found in Gatawatu is the number of the views, roughly as stated. The schools stated in Gatawatu, by the Venerable Buddhaghosa, commentary, the school stated by the materials and their views here, the number of their views, only the number. Here, Vachi Bodhika, Vachi, maybe Vachi, not Vachi, Vachi Bodhika. Vachi Bodhika, you see, only 2 views stated here, those 2 views those 2 views are not relevant with the Theravada views. That's one. Venerable Moggalliputta Siddha Thera, did not agree with the view. He also put many teaching and he examines these views, and remove these views. Yeah, Theravada branch. Very beginning of the Theravada. Pro Theravada, we have Mihasasaka, Vajibodhika. So this is Vajibodhika. You can find 2 views there. Then later we will see what kind of views they hold. It's Samitya. Samitya, this is also Theravada branch. the 23 wrong views, 23 views against Theravada Buddhism. The Samitiya. Samiti or Samitiya, you may say Samitiya. Okay, let's see Samitiya. Samitiya school, holds many ideas for the Theravada. So later you also will see there. The Sabatika what day? Sabatika. There is also a brochure Theravada school. So 5 views stay in the Kathavatu, as a Paravada, or as the other views. The other views here, not Theravada views. Kaspika is also Theravada approach, This Kaspika came from Theravada school, under the Theravada school. The only one view stated Ekatavatu, only one Kaspika. Now, this is Bhikkhu, maybe Bhikkhu at the time. This Kaspika is one of the 80 schools, but under the Theravada approach, only one there. Then Mahasangika, only 26 views here. The Mahasangika, auto two school I say here, Theravada, Mahasangika. So 26 views stated Ekatavatu, pro Mahasangika. These 20 days are different pro Theravada. So Theravada disagree with these 26, but Mahasangika holds these 26 views. Andega, just now, we were talking about Andega. Andega here, 73 is a lot, but held by all the school here. Bobasilia, Abrasilia, Rajakarika, Sabatika, Sabatika, post school. All post school hold, please.
Tika, no, Siddhatika.
Huh?
Siddhatika. Attika means, I think, 8.
Siddhatika?
Siddhatika.
Siddhatika. Yes, Siddhatika. Sorry. Thank you. Siddhatika, the old school, Bobasilia, Abrasilia, Rajakarika, Siddhatika. These 4 schools, they are included the Adhika, 73 views. Not only the main school Adhika holds these 23, but also the other 4, which are the branch of Adhika, the hold this 73. Bobasilia, these 20, the Bobasilia are right Adhika. That means it is a branch of Adhika. So 30 views there, you will see there 30 views are found in Ekatavatu. So the views very interesting, very interesting. That's one sometimes very interesting, but it's not difficult to understand. If you know the Buddhist Abhidhamma, Theravada Abhidhamma, you can understand that easily. But if you do not know Theravada Abhidhamma, you will be confused. You will not understand easily. So don't forget Theravada Abhidhamma. These views will be discussed, according with the Theravada Abhidhamma. So their views are not relevant or not the same with Theravada Abhidhamma. That's why we do not agree with that. Bobasilia, 30 views. Abrasilia, there is 5 views to be found. Rajakirika, 10 views there, 10 controversy words. The Siddhatika, 8 controversy were there. There is a set of Mahasangika. So the Adhika also may be the sub-school of Mahasangika, but here close to Andhika. So you can see about this, you can find about this school from the Wikipedia also, Wikipedia. So Gokulika come from where, from Mahasangika, a branch of Mahasangika, Gokulika, Eka, Byoharika, these two. Yeah, Gokulika only one from Mahayana, the Mahasangika, only one views stated Ekatavatu. Then Bhadra Yanika or Bhadra Yanika, anyway, you can say Bhadra Yanika or Bhadra Yanika. So Bhadra Yanika. good vehicle, A Braja Mahasangika, it is also included in one of the 6 Mahasangika school. Braja Mahasangika. Only one view stated here. Then Mihisasaka. Mihisasaka Braja Theravada. Braja Theravada. All right, the Braja Theravada. Braja Theravada. Mihisasaka. But 9 doctrine, 9 views, because it come from the Theravada, even those their views are different from Theravada. because their school is called Mihisasaka. Maybe there are many other views. Those are against Theravada view, maybe many, but Ekatawada only 9. But during the 3rd century, we can say 3rd century because 228, after the demise of the Buddha, the 3rd Sangha councils appeared there. So maybe around over 200 years after the Buddha's entered into Nibbana. Then here, Uttarapatika. So it is not also included in the one of the 80, Uttarapatika or Uttarapata. You can say Uttarapata or you also can say Uttarapatika, but not included in any one of those 80. It is particular school, Uttarapatika. Uttarapata, Dakinapata, we have 2 roads. Uttarapata means northern road. The Dakinapata is road. Uttarapata. So the northern Buddhism actually Uttarapata, but they call it is particular school called Uttarapata. Uttarapata, Dakinapata. We call the South India. South India is called Dakinapata. The southern road. Uttarapata, northern road. You can see there many views of the Uttarapata found Ekatawatu here. No, but their doctrine show influences from both Theravada and Mahasangika tradition. Now, Uttarapata. So maybe most of the views, most of the doctrine similar to Theravada or even to Mahasangika Mahayana. So maybe the views from Theravada, some came from Mahayana, maybe mixed in there. Like we have in Sri Lanka, like Mahavihara, Abhyagiri. Abhyagiri is more close to Mahayana, Abhyagiri. The Abhyagiri, we call Abhyagiri in the Sri Lanka, the Buddha teaching. Sri Lanka, Mahavihara is Abhyagiri. They are, how do you say, they have different views there, the different views. We don't Wadi, maybe Abhyagiri is cool, we don't Wadi. So when you read the Attasanini, the introduction to the introduction there, Nidana, you will see there about the Katawatu. Venerable Buddha Gosa used the word Viddhata Wadi. Someone who does not accept Katawatu as one of the Abhidhamma books. Even those with that they agreed 7 Abhidhamma books, but they don't want to add Katawatu as one of the Abhidhamma books. They want to add like a Dhatugatha, Mahadhatugatha, Mahahadeya. They want to add the books, but I have no idea with those books. More closer to Mahayana thought, Uttarapatika or Uttarapata. But we say Uttarapata, Uttarapata. 47 views are found there. Too much, too much. The Hindu way, 9. Known as the Vaibhasika, Vaibhasika, AI and the AI, Vaibhasika. Vaibhasika school here, brush for the Sabatiwada, Adhika, a brush of Adhika. Yes, Hinduvada, just now we discussed 9 doctrines for Hinduvada found in this Kravadu. Vedonlika, yeah, one of the Mahasunyada Wade, Mahasunyada. I have no idea related to the Mahasunyada Wade. So here, Vedonlika, the ideas came from Mahasunyada Wada. 8 views are found there. It is here not analyzed to any school. Yeah, let's see here. The translation. If you go to Katawadu translation, you will see here. Index group by dissociate school. Dissect school here. Different school. Here you have Vajibodhaka, Vajibodhaka, Samitiya, Sabatiwada, Ekaspiya, because the views together there, they mention the view together there. The Maha Sangikas, Adhika is general. There you have Bobasili, Abrasili, Rajagrika, Siddhatika. They all Adhika, the Adhika here, the Bobasilia Wade. So this approach of Adhika. The Bobasilia and Abrasilia, they hold the same views. A Rajagirika, it holds different views. Rajagarika, Siddhatika, they hold the same views there. So some of the controversial words here are the head by not only one set, not only one schools, the controversy is head by many schools. Gogulika here. We Bhadrayanika. We use the Pali, we use Bhadrayanika. Mahisasaka. Udrapata here. It use Udrapata. Udrapata, but either also I see Udrapata. The Hindu word they were doing Leah. So this school here. How many school do you remember? Let's see how many school here. You have Vajibodhaka, Samitiya, Sabatiwada, Kasapiya, Mahasangika, Bobasilia, Abrasilia, Rajagirika, Siddhatika, 10 already. There Gogolika, Bhadrayanika, Mihisasaka, Uttapata, Hetuwada, Vedonlika. Altogether 60. 60 schools. Here the views pro city schools are found in Katawatu. Katawatu. So before we study this Katawatu, we should know these schools, with their views. Generally, this one, general discussion about these 60 views, 60 schools, 60 schools. So you have to note the school which are not included in those 80, like Vodolika, Hetuwada, Udrapata, 3. Udrapata, you have the what? Adhika, Bobasilia, Abrasilia, Rajagarika, Siddhatika. 8 school there, 8 school, which are not included in those 80 school. Another 8 school. They had appeared already before the third Sangha councils. That's why. Maybe this view, I'm not sure, because the Venerable Buddhaghosa came from South India. He had read all those schools, all those philosophy, all those schools, he may know that. But some of the schools not appear yet during the third Sangha councils. I'm not sure, whose schools views we do not know. But Venerable Buddhaghosa state is controversy had by such a school. That's what we know. If he did not say, we do not know. No, we do not know because we haven't read all these books. Maybe he had read all these books because he was very, very intelligent. You know, he could read just one time, he could understand easily. It's not like us, you know. For us, it's not easy to understand, but for them, easy to understand. Yes. Okay, let's go back to Atthakatha. To Atthakatha. How or why or how this cloud appeared. Why this cloud appeared or how it is appeared. We should. So here they either anadipete. So the six schools described or mentioned above, not including these 80. We do not count them at the 80 school. So here we go there. Purimakana pana atharasana ajiriya wadana wasena pota mane. Sasniblida sado asoko dhamaraja divase Buddha Pujaya Sadasahasa. The Asoka key Asoka. Now, he got believed in the Buddha's teaching after after meeting the Samya Nijoda, he devoted to the Buddha Sasana. Then here, Buddha Bujaya Sadasahasa one lakhs. He used 1 lakhs in order to honor the Buddha. Dhamma Bujaya Sadasahasa. In order to honor the Dhamma, he offers one lakhs every day. Saga Pujaya, the Sadasahasa, he also offers 1 lakhs for the Sangha. Adano Ajaryasa Nijoda Chirasa Sadasahasa. At the time, the Nijoda Thera, but at the time he was not Thera yet, and he was a Samnera. But here, the use the Nijoda Thera. He also offered 100,000 the 100,000 kahabana to his teacher, to the person who gave him instruction. He became a real Buddha, a true Buddhist because of Nijoda Samnera. That's why he offered a lot. Nijoda Samnera also share all those things to the Sangha. Because the palace may be surrounded by 4 gates, big gate here, big doors, the gate. Each gate he offer 100,000 kahabana medicine to everyone who ever come there. Bajasata Sahasani Parichado Sasane Ula Lavasakara Bodidi. Because he offers a lot to the sasana. That's why the sasana, labha, gain or poor requests are plenty, were plenty, because easy at the time. Maybe just like nowadays. Nowadays, the poor requests are not difficult things to get, very easy. Maybe just like nowadays. So every day he offered the Sangha, 500,000 is kahabana. So spend a lot of money, spend a lot of money. Those belong to the country. But he was the key. He could do everything he liked, not the president nowadays. President nowadays, they are restricted. They can do everything as they like, as they like. We have the law, they are distracted by the law, they cannot do. They did here, after that, what happened here? Now, this is before the third council, Sangha councils. This happened before the third Sangha councils. Ditya Hatala Sakara. But the other said, the religious group, they do not receive much like before, because the key are devoted to the sasana. So he sacrificed the harm to the Sasana, but he did not support the other religion. Hada Sakara, the other religion did not much, like before. So what they are doing, Adamaso Kasa Chadanamatabi Alabado, they even do not get released, they even do not get enough food, enough drink, Before they got enough. But after also got devoted to the Sasana, without getting any support from the Ki Asoka. But the Ki Asoka support the Sangha. The Sangha, the Lava Sakara. But for those, they did not get Lava Sakara. Lava Sakara, Patyamana. So we say for Lava Sakara, they could not stand anymore without supported by the king. Because Babajidowa, they ordained as a monk, it had the Sasana. Sakani, Dedigadani. Then they express, they express their own view. But they were not Buddhists before. But they entered into the Sasana. They became the monks. They show their views, their own views. Dhamma. They said, this is the Buddha teaching, this is Dhamma, this is Suttanta, this is Abhidhamma. This is the Vinaya, even though the not real Vinaya, not real Abhidhamma, not real Suttanta. But they say, oh, this is the Buddha teaching. Just like some of the old monks in Myanmar, they haven't studied much. They have very little study, and they say, this is the Buddha teaching. To the teaching. When they are examined, they do not want to accept, they do not want to receive, they do not want to agree with the Sangha Mahanayaka. They stay claim they are talking about the Buddha teaching. They say like that, Here, Aya Dhammo, Aya Vinaya, Aya Satu Sadhana. Debate, they show that. You can read some of the Pali words here. I read the Pali words to be familiar with the Pali words. Babaja Alaba Manabi, but some of the other religious leader could not get ordination. Maybe the Sangha knew that they were not devoted in the Buddha teaching. They were to be a monk. They were to ordain as a monk because of properties. Maybe the other monks knew that. That's why Babaja Alaba Manabi, even though they do not get ordination. Sayamewa Kese Chededwa, Kasayani, Awotani Achadidwa, they cut their head, they cut their hair, they wear the robe, Achadidwa, we are as Wijarada, they live together with the other monks because they wear the robe, they have a bone, they can go and receive food. With this purpose, they order as a monk, or they wear the robe, they wear paid monks, not the real monks, the paid monks. Upasaka Kamadi Karana Kali Sagamacha Buisandi. But even they are paid monks, they are together with the other monks. With the other monks perform Upasaka. They also join the monks. With the other monks perform the performance, another karma, they also join with them, Tebikusagina Damina Winnie Manabi, even though they are oppressed by the Vinaya, by the Dhamma, because their views really different from the Buddhist views. That's why the Buddhist monks knew they were not Buddhist monks. The Buddhist monks oppressed them, suppress things with the Dhamma Vinaya. Manabi, Dhamma Vinaya Maya, Padipadiya, Asantahado. So they could not stand anymore because whenever they express something, the real monks, the real monks did not accept the views. They oppressed them. You are wrong, you are not Buddhist, this is not Buddha teaching, and so maybe there's many things, they oppress those. So Aneka Rupa Sasanasa Abuddha Malaja. Now Aneka Rupa many ways. Aneka Rupa here we have. Maybe next time we can start the Katawatu. Aneka Rupa Sasanasa Abuddha. The Abuddha, Sasana Abuddha, the Aneka Rupa, many form, Sanasa Abuddha. Abuddha, how to say, the dangers, the danger, they create many forms of the dangers to the sasana. They create many forms to destroy the sasana. You know. Malaja, mala mean how to say mala? Mala dirties, in dirtiness, mala. Karaka, that is the thorns, a kind of thorns. Samothabedi, that means they create many improper things to the sasana, to support the sasana. They create many things there. Keji age bridge randi, things sacrifice. The some thing worship the fire. Worship the fires, The Buddhist ma cannot worship the fires. But Keji age bridge randi, they worship the fires. So by see the weaker decide they are not Buddhists. The Buddhists at the time not do these things. The real Buddhists, the real monks, but not nowadays. They are reading the astrology. They are making many things against the Theravada views. Even the great monks in Myanmar, they stay against Theravada views. They do those things for the benefit of the people. They read the destinies. Please,
Sayadaji, one question.
please.
Yeah, the nuns related to nuns, so they are not given proper status. They are not given proper attention. They are not respected. Buddha has given women same value, same status. It is totally against Buddha's teaching. Am I right?
I'm not. I don't get you. Please, can you repeat again?
At present day, nowadays, our Myanmar, Thailand, Buddhist countries cannot harm the ladies are not properly respected, even though some bhikkhuni, they are very, very good in science, Tripitaka, and also their concentration jhana also attained, but they have not given proper values, not equal, like as the Buddha said. This is not against Theravada, against the Buddha teachings.
No, according to Theravada, nowadays it's impossible to become a nun, the bhikkhuni. According to the Theravada rules, one is impossible to become bhikkhuni, even though they knows a lot of Buddha teaching. To be bhikkhuni, to be nun, it's not the problem. It does not matter. It's not the matter, Now, to be bhikkhuni, to be nun, it's not the matter. To know the Buddha teaching, to practice according to the Buddha teaching is the matter, You see, the to be bhikkhuni, because according to Theravada's teaching, the woman or the nun also cannot be a bhikkhuni because the rules we have Vinaya rules, Theravada Vinaya rules. Even though we have no bhikkhuni, we still have to study these bhikkhuni rules. We know the bhikkhuni rules, Gaudiya rules. They cannot be a bhikkhuni, but it doesn't matter. It's not the the Buddha's teaching, follow the Buddha teaching. That's enough. That's enough. Whoever follow the Buddha teaching, they will get benefit there. Whether they are human being, lay people, whether they are monks, whether they are nun, whether they are bhikkhuni, doesn't matter. If they are not bhikkhuni, that's also okay. So there is no problem, there is no problem. Okay, here we have finished this paragraph. Some worship the Keji Pajadapi, you see, 5 kind of heats. They make the fire around them, for direction. and the sun also very hot. Now the sun heat, fire heat. They practice there, they have no clothes or they make clothes, but they burn their body. There is a kind of the Atakilamatanu yoga, Atakilamatanu yoga to remove kilesa. Then Pachapa, they kechi Reja Anuprivatandi, sun, worship the sun, the worship the sun, or follow the sun, Areja. Eketi tamaja winaya wo base te samadhi data paganesu. So sun, in order to find the Dhamma, the Vinaya, with this purpose, they are doing many things. Tata Bhikkhu Sangha Nattehi Satte Upastawa Paranava Akasi. At the time, the Truma, the gold marks, did not perform Upasta, did not perform Sangha Karma together with those paid marks. Because they know there were many paid marks. If the perform Upasta, the Upasta were not successful, will not be accomplished. They know that's why they did not perform any karma, any upasana with those for many years. Yeah. Asokaram Satawasani upasto upajeshi 7 years, no upasana, no any karma, no ordination. With these 7 years. Because if someone who is a paid mark include there will be problem. That's why they had no those things. They had no upasana. So they don't perform. They did not perform upasana for 7 years. For 7 years. This is the one of the reason. This is the reason why Katawatu appeared. That's why I read these things to know why Katawatu appeared. We read these things, but we could not finish today here. Maybe next time we finish this one, we could go directly to the Katawatu Pali. So we should know those Katawatu Pali. No. Okay, time is over. We better stop here. Let me stop here. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detadu. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
တင်ပါတယ်ဗျာတပည့်ကျေးဇူးတင်ပါတယ်ဗျာ
My pleasure. See you. Have a nice day.
Jesus.